Hi everyone. In this video we are going to study about the structures of cyclohexane and benzene. Okay, cyclohexane and benzene, because these two structures are there in our NCERT textbook. Okay, CBSE textbook 4th chapter. These two structures are there, so it is good if we study about these two structures. So drawing these two structures. So first let us take cyclohexane. The formula is C6H12. Okay, that is a formula of cyclohexane, don't forget. Now look at the word cyclo. Cyclo means these 6 carbon atom is arranged in the form of a ring. That is the meaning. Okay, so whenever you hear the word cyclo, understand that it is like a ring structure or a cyclic compound. Okay, so now there are 6 carbons, so just attach these 6 carbon atom. Now what we have hydrogens, right? We need to attach hydrogens. Now you see there is 12 hydrogens here. Okay, 12 hydrogens. So now look at one carbon atom. This particular carbon atom is having 2 bonds already, one to this carbon and one to this carbon. So this carbon now only requires 2 more bonds. So attach 2 hydrogens. Okay, similarly attach hydrogens for all the carbon atoms. Okay, then we will get the structure like this. So that is the structure of cyclohexane. Now look at benzene. So benzene is little different. Okay, because the formula of benzene is C6H6. So don't forget the formula of benzene. So that is also a cyclic compound. So let us draw it. So there is 6 carbon atoms. So let us arrange these 6 carbon atoms in a ring-like structure and join it. Okay. Now the thing is that there is only 6 hydrogens. So what we can do, we can try to distribute it evenly. So when we are distributing it evenly, each carbon will get 1 hydrogen each, like this. Okay, now the problem is actually every carbon atom. So look at this carbon atom. Every carbon atom should have 4 bonds, but look at now there is only 3 bonds. So what we will do in that situation, we will introduce one double bond, okay, between the carbon atoms. So when I introduce one double bond, these 2 carbons, this carbon as well as this carbon, both got 4 bonds. Okay, you can count the number of bonds: 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond is considered as 2 bonds. Similarly this carbon, okay, this carbon atom, it also has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when I introduced one double bond, 2 carbon atoms are getting 4 bonds each. Now I will introduce one double bond here as well. Okay, here. So here also I introduced one double bond. Here also I introduced one double bond. Now all carbons got 4 bonds each. Here in this first structure also, all carbon atoms are having 4 bonds, but all are single bonds. When it comes to the structure of benzene, there is double bonds also present. Okay, so we can also say this is a saturated compound. Saturated means what? Only single bonds. That is the meaning of saturated compound. It's not compound, so let us write compound, because cyclohexane is a saturated compound. This one, so what it will be? Yes, this is unsaturated compound. This is unsaturated compound. Okay, so this structure, this benzene structure, we will easily draw it like this also for simplicity. we will draw it like this as well. We will not draw the hydrogen atom, but we will assume that there is hydrogen atom. So this is also the simplest structure, okay, of benzene. The simplest structure of cyclohexane is also there. It is drawn like this, okay. This structure means that is a structure of cyclohexane, okay. So just try to understand these two structures.